Okay, here we go. I had a question about the last problem on, guys, let me make this video. Huh? Had a question on the last problem on the 11.5 edge of last week. And there was this system, and it had you solve it and then find like w plus x minus y plus z or something like that, right? And I've had a question that said they don't know how to work this problem. And I think this is kind of like working the problem, kind of problems you want to do, right? Something like that. So instead of working that problem for this person or anybody, I made up another system. I have no idea what the solution is because I just made it up. Y'all actually gave me the numbers for it, right? But we're going to write this as a matrix equation, correct? And this is going to be a 4 by 4 system. And we're going to take the coefficients of all these. So 3, 2, negative 1, 1. 7, negative 2, 1, and negative 2. 1, negative 1, 2, and 5. And 4, 3, negative 2, and 1. I'm going to call it my coefficient matrix, and then I'm going to put the variables in this order: W, X, Y, and Z. And because if we multiply, the way we multiply matrices, row by column, multiplying the first row by the first column would give me this. Second row by first column would give me this, so on and so forth. And that's got to be equal to this matrix over here. To solve this, if we call this equation A times X equals B, if we multiply on the left by A inverse on both sides of the equation, then we get this variable here, X, is going to equal whatever we get when we do A inverse times B, right? So we got to find the solutions. So I'm going to enter this matrix A in the calculator. Second matrix, edit A. It's a 4 by 4 matrix. What's that? I'm going to put the entries in there. First row is 3, 2, negative 1, 1. Then 7, negative 2, 1, negative 2. Then 1, negative 1, 2, and 5. Then 4, then 3, then negative 2, then 1. Double check real quick. Especially make sure you got all your negative signs in there. 3, 2, negative 1, 1. 7, negative 2, 1, and negative 2. 1, negative 1, 2, and 5. 4, 3, negative 2, and 1. All right, that one's good. Now I'm going to put this matrix B in there. Second matrix B. Edit, sorry. Then B. Whoops. Dang it. Second quit. Second matrix. Edit. Then B. This is going to be a 4 by 1. We're going to put the entries in there. 5, 1, 3, 8. Now I have matrix A stored in there and B stored in there. Second quit. I'm going to do second matrix A, and then X to negative 1 makes A inverse times second matrix B. And this is going to give me, now we told you this, had no idea what the solution was going to be. I'm going to hit math, enter twice to get the fractions. And there are my fractions. So this is going to be W is 31 over 41. X is negative 44 over 41. Y is negative 136 over 41. I can't quite see that bottom one, so I'm going to scroll down. That is 64 over 41 for Z. And if you had to add or subtract or whatever these W, you just plug those in for the W, X, Y, Z, add, subtract, and figure out what they are. And that's how you do that. That's pretty simple.